In this video, I will show you how to access and use the Perplexity Labs feature absolutely for free. This feature normally requires a paid plan, but if you are a student with a valid student ID, you can get the Perplexity Pro plan for free by verifying your student status through Comet AI browser. All you need to do is click on the special student invite link I have given in the description, which takes you straight to the Comet download page. Click Download Comet and enter your college email here. Click on Continue with Email, and you will receive a verification code in your inbox. Just enter the code here. You will then be asked to verify your student status. Click on the verification option. You will then be taken to a form. Fill out all your details on this form accurately and click on Verify Student Status. You may then see an option to sign in to my university portal. Alternatively, you can go back to the previous tab and click Upload Proof of Enrollment. Click on Add Documents and upload your student ID. Then click on Submit. Once your status is verified, click on Continue, then download Comet and quickly install it by clicking on the downloaded file. Once installed, log in with your student email. Now, our Comet browser is ready to use. Simply enter your first prompt, and then you will see that you have unlocked Perplexity Pro for free, along with direct access to the Perplexity Labs feature as well. So that is how you can access Perplexity Labs completely for free as a student. If you want to watch a detailed tutorial on the Comet browser and all its functions, click on the video appearing on your screen.